So when you enter from the door, this is, first of all, is the wardrobe by your left hand side, which is not bad. There's a safe this thing here, and it's very for your valuables, whatever you want to lock there. And no, this is not bad. This is a hotel room. This is where you insert your key. This is your key. Here is a waist bin. Then from this wardrobe, you will see this seats, which I found so comfortable because I like the setup. I like the fact that you don't have to lie down all long. You might decide to sit down, and yeah, this is one. I don't know what this is though. Let's see. Oh, this way you can just keep things. What is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Then there is a Bible here. Interesting. How did they know I'll be reading Bible this night? There's a Bible here. This is the headlamp. And this is the bed. I like the white bedsheet. That is it. Fast asleep. I like the white bedsheet going on here. The room is just very simple. That's the curtain, the AC, the mirror. I like the fact that the room is very, very simple and well organized. This is the mirror, so fine. So this is the other side table with the menu, Grand Palazzo. Wow. The menu, the telephone to call. So let me give you guys, yeah, this is the room from me standing from the telephone side. And I like this painting here. Mother and child. I so much like this painting. I like this painting. Yeah. And here you have the television stand. Ignore all this thing that is going on here. These are our stuff. You guys know I was coming from somewhere. So you might decide to put your things here. You might decide to put them here. Okay. So there's a toothbrush here. Yeah, hold on. Okay, this is a TV remote. This is TV remote. This is the bathroom. Is this a lemon? Okay. This is the bathroom. Very, very portable. I like it. I like the glass. This is the bathroom. Here is the toilet. I like this design on the mirror. So fine. Okay. Look how scattered my head is. There's a lifter, of course. Hey, I say lifter. There's a heater, of course. A heater. So, I'm sure this is for the tissue paper, toilet roll. This is bonbon washer, hand washer. There's a toothbrush for you. These are foam bath, and this is body lotion. This is cup in case you want to brush your teeth with cup. And here is just open. Here is open, like here is open. We can still close it, but it's open now. And that is the shower. Yeah. So this is literally, I like the way the floor is looking like wood, but it's not wood. This is actually a tiles, but it's looking like wood. I like it. There's a towel here for you. Is this towel neat? It's not looking neat though. Or is it my eyes? This towel is not looking neat though. No, it's not neat. No, it's not neat. This is, they failed. This towel they kept here is not neat though. Oh, I bought, but it's not neat. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't know. So let me give you a tour of this place. Here is the mini fridge. There's nothing in it and it's not even on. Mini fridge. This is your tea, coffee area. This is your hot kettle. You can easily boil water here. And these are stuff that we came in with. All these things happening. This is my cold stone. This is my laptop. My baby's tablet. This is the delivery I took. Our bags. Yeah. So this is literally it. And this is the board I'll be working with this night. So this is the room from this angle. My babies are awake. Sleep this night. Hi baby. Hey baby. So that is literally a room tour of. Is this room the standard or okay? See, you don't know. Don't know. I guess it should be the standard. This is not a standard room. Although their bed is small, but nevertheless, I like the space here. I like the space. So it's a good for me, right? Yeah. So I want to take you guys to the dining area. Okay, you can see. Okay, there's nobody here.
This is also good.
Thank you. There's nobody here. Please, I'd like it to be brought to me.
Okay. Is there any issue?
Is it?
No issue.
You mean the food that we do?
No, you said you're wrong.
They should bring the breakfast.
Okay, they should bring the breakfast. Alright, no problem.
You don't have to make any call.
I'll just tell them.
Alright, thank you.
Well,
Anyway, let me just. Oh, okay. Moi and pap. I don't want that is the thing.
they're still bringing like sauce and I think it's never be spaghetti. I don't know.
The moi and pap will do it.
So seasides.
That game I know it too. You said what?
So sis.
Two.
If I'm bringing it to you, sure you know you have to pay 500.
Right, no problem.
Okay.
So, water. What about water? Will there be water too? I'll have to request for them. Oh, that's why you're meant to come down. Anyways. The Papa Momo we do. I don't need it now urgently because they're still sleeping, so it won't get cold. Probably 9. Maybe I will call when I'm ready.
Because I do,
Because you do what?
I close by 8:30.
So there will be nobody here.
Will be here.
Don't fear me. Alright, so this is the I don't lose. Thank you. That is the dining area. So that is what the dining area looks like. Zara stayed with fear, she didn't know. Anyways, So you guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I enjoyed filming it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.